Hey, what's up, guys? It's Monday, December 14th, and I'm very, very sorry that I'm not here with y'all today. But I kind of wanted to go over the instructions for the week and what you're going to be doing today. And I want to catch up with everybody tomorrow. So, the first thing I want to talk about is we will finish the movie after our quarterly. I do apologize. I planned on finishing it today and then starting the study guide, but I have a schedule I'm going to show you and we will finish it. Today, Monday, you need to complete your study guide. The last time we had a study guide, you need to ask yourself how you used your time when you were doing it. It's very important today that you use your time wisely to prepare for the quarterly. The study guide is linked right here. It looks like this. I know this is a lot to do in one day, but you have the entire time. Please use it wisely. And again, this is pretty much everything that will be on the quarterly tomorrow. That is on Wednesday. I will go over the amount of questions, the type of questions, all of that when we go over our study guide tomorrow. So if you look at the schedule, today start and complete your study guide. Tuesday is in class review for the quarterly. Wednesday is your social studies quarterly. Thursday, we'll finish the Prince of Egypt. And Friday, we're going to do team building activities. Please email Mr. O'Neill if you have any questions today. I will check my email a couple of times, but please be patient and wait for me to respond. Also, I've done learned how to put a picture up on Canvas. So look at the little bears hanging out in the forest, doing what animals do, having lunch in the middle of the forest. I love you guys. I will see. Oh, one last thing before I go. If you have any zeros or anything in Canvas, do the assignment and just email it to me if you can't get it in Canvas. I am 100% will accept it and grade it and put it in up until Wednesday. That's when I got to get grades in. Up until Wednesday. All right, guys, that's you got the next 58 minutes to get cracking. Later, taters.